Hi, this is exercise 1 from CSC 4710. In this video, I'm going to set up JDK and set up Java from the Windows 10 terminal. So first of all, what we have to do for this process is to go to oracle.com and download JDK. And the latest version of Java is Java 12. And I already have it downloaded in my system. So for that, we just have to select accept the license agreement and download it for the 64-bit version for Windows. And I have downloaded the executable files and just have it installed on your machine. So the second step of the process is to set up Java from the Windows 10 terminal, and for that there is a guide given. This is a wonderful guide for the process, and it just shows step-by-step process where to click and how to set up everything. And I believe this is super easy and anyone can do it, so I'm not going to go through the process. I also do recommend to test out these commands to see if it installed correctly. So the third process is to download these two files given and to see if they're running on my machine. So first of all, what I have to do for that is to bring out Windows Terminal. And here I have to mention the folder where I have saved all these two files. So I have it saved under the Documents tab on exercise 1. So one thing to mention right here, I tried to do this with my external hard drive, so it did not work. So you have to download these files on your local hard drive. And so I just copy this path, and so yeah, looks like that I'm under the Documents tab on exercise 1. So first of all, I have to compile the Java program. For that, there's a command given on the test1.java file, and it says right here Java C, which means Java compile the file on Windows 10. So I don't think I copied that. Okay, so just Control C, Control V. So it takes a second, but it compiled correctly, no error message. And so the second test is to run this program using the Java command, and just Control V again. Okay, looks like it compiled correctly, and this is the result out of this. Alright, thank you so much for watching.